How to find Safari preferences and settings on iPhone. To begin, go to the home screen so you can access your apps. Locate the Settings app and tap on Settings. In the Settings list, scroll down past the General options to the section that lists your apps. Find Safari in the list and tap on Safari. The Safari page opens, showing options for search, tabs, autofill, privacy, and content blockers. Scroll through these Safari settings to view the available preferences and see what you can adjust. You can review features like default search engine, tab behavior, block pop-ups, and privacy protections here. For deeper options, keep scrolling to the bottom and tap on Advanced. On the Advanced screen, you will see sections such as website data, JavaScript, and experimental features. Scroll within Advanced to review what is available and understand where technical controls are located. Tap on Safari at the top to go back to the main Safari settings screen. Following these steps, you can easily find Safari preferences and settings on iPhone.